Let me show you how we use Clickfunnels for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and I use Clickfunnels to build landing pages to collect emails. And then I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. Although you can use it for all of these things, to build funnels, websites, online courses, do email marketing, you can check the analytics, you can build landing pages. Also, you can build membership sites, you build a customer center, write blogs. You can use the Clickfunnels editor to build the landing pages. You can create automation workflows. You can do A/B testing, and these are some features that are coming soon. For example, CRM, commerce store, and countdown funnels. This is inside of my Clickfunnels account, and as you can see, I have many funnels. For the 72-hour challenge, for the 5-second silent method, this is the 7 steps to become a super affiliate ebook. I have a funnel for my own training. This one is for a legendary marketer. The 3-day challenge white label is to promote freedom breakthrough. And I have also for my Spanish channel. Now I'm going to show you this one, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. This funnel has 3 steps: the opt-in page, the ebook, and the bridge page. This opt-in page works pretty well to collect leads. It has a title, finally the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And when people click this button, I can collect the name and the email. It has information, a picture of the ebook, and my own photo as well, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. If I go to stats for this month of September, the opt-in rate is 34%. The second page is the ebook page, and here I tell people that please check their email because I'm going to send this ebook through email. It has information, buttons, and a picture of the ebook. And when people click this button, yes, show me how, they will go to the bridge page in which I explain the product and the next step they need to do if they want to get access to the training. And also it has a button, and when people click it, they will go to my affiliate offer. And if they buy, I can make a commission. And basically that is how I make money with Clickfunnels, by promoting other people's products. And if you want to get access to a training that is helping me to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, which is the 72-hour challenge, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.